women. Women everywhere, sisters with voices. Creating opportunities and given choices. Oh, women will be beneficial to women worldwide, who have been ignored with no one on their side. Many sacrifices made and have gone without. Women of every creed and culture sing and shout. Oh, women will empower women to develop their worth, enabling them to live a life of purpose on planet Earth. Got the t-shirt, banner and video of adversity to show. Yet still women carry such a graceful glow. Oh, women will help women with hearts of compassion, to reach out to others to accomplish their mission, to be recognized for the value we all bring. Oh, what a celebration, every woman will sing. Oh, women will be every woman's pathway to destiny. An awesome expression of love and care for humanity. Many stories to be shared, the half has never been told. With O Women's platform we shall come forth as pure gold. Carol Brotherson, United Kingdom.